Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you don't get to miss it. So today, I'm going to show you how I made this patch balloon pocket. It pops out wherever you put it. As you can see, it's outstanding. It's casual. It's a little bit playful and I like it, and you can add it also to your pants. I have a tutorial on how to make this dress. If you want to learn how to make it, I'll put the link in the description box below so that you check it out later. So let's go over to the tutorial. Now my fabric is on fold, and to determine the width of your fabric, I marked in 13 inches, and for the length, I marked in 14 inches. So you experiment with this measurement first before you exaggerate it or reduce it. So here, I've marked 2 inches above this line for creating channel for a rubber band. And at the edge over there, I've marked in 3 inches in, and I'm going to use it to create a cup shape for this pocket. I'm going to mark this out and show you what I mean. So after you must have gotten this on your own fabric, you got to cut it out. And after cutting it out, I'm going to open it up and show you how it looks in full. This is how exactly it should look, and you're going to hem this 2 inches you marked out, creating the channel for your rubber band. After I've created the channel, the next thing I'm going to do is to pass my rubber band all through to the end, creating about 6 inches size of hand feet for my pocket. And this is exactly what I mean. When you're done with it, it should look something like this. And bear in mind that if you want 2 pockets, you're going to do it for both sides as well. So you're going to hold these areas with stitches to hold fast the rubber band. So I wish to put it on both sides of my dress. That's why I've made 2 of these. If you want to make one, you're free to make one also. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to determine how to place it on my fabric, on my garment. So to place it in, what I did was to find the 19th inch from the shoulder line, and I've marked it right here. And the next thing I'm going to do right here is to mark in 5 inches from the center front in towards this area, 5 inches. So what I'm going to do now, after marking this 5 inch, is to mark 1 inch from the real side seam. This dress comes with 1 inch seam allowance, so I'm marking in 2 inches right there. And then from this area, I'm going to find the midpoint of these 2 right here. And I'm going to mark it down 8 inches below, like this. I'm going to connect these lines together, including the midpoint of it. So now, this is exactly what I mean. And now that I've created this shape, the next thing I'm going to do now is to create a cup shape for my pocket. So I'm going to measure in 1.5 inch on both edges, and I'm going to use it as a reference point to create a cup shape for my pocket. This is what I mean exactly. And then the next thing I'm going to do right here is to hem all around my pocket sides for ease attaching onto the dress. So what I'm going to do now is to match in my fabric onto the reference points I've made here. And to do that, what you have to do is to place both edges of your pocket, the midpoint and the sides, onto the area you mark, and you're going to pleat all around your pockets. And after pleating it, this is what it should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for always being here. I really appreciate your effort. If you want to know how to make this dress, I'll put the link in the description box below. Take care. Bye.